And welcome to the next video in the little series I got going on here. And this is the bump out section, and we're just cutting this extra piece they put there to hold up the threshold for the bump out with that farmhouse chic timber. And you can see most of the back end wall there is pretty rotten out on the subfloor. A lot of leaks coming through the windowsills and whatnot. And I decided to use the maul to bust out all this MDF. Since a few videos ago you can see me jumping on it and falling through the floor, which was not fun. And so we're going this route. Works pretty well. MDF breaks up pretty easy, but unfortunately it leaves a ton of the staples in the 2x6s, and so I just have to use hog ring pliers to pull those out. It's pretty tedious, but it works. They do make little saw blade bits that will chew through those, but I found the hog ring pliers work pretty well. And every once in a while you gotta have a little dance party, celebrate the little victories, but short-lived. Get back to work. And we're just working in the kitchen section here. That's where the kitchen sink was. And I'm gonna miss that lovely linoleum floor. I do have a ton of oak hardwoods that I've reclaimed from houses that I'll probably use in here. But I have run across some good cherry wood floors, and if I can find enough, I'd rather use that. But for now, probably going to be oak hardwoods in here. And you can see a little view here from the kitchen on back to the back bathroom and bedroom. And just a little shot of how much fun I got to have pulling out all this blown in insulation. I'd rather have had it just been all this batt insulation, but snow is what we got. I was really surprised this place had copper plumbing that you can see right in front of me. And here's the kitchen. Like, anybody who thought it was a good idea to put MDF in mobile homes as a subfloor is just nuts. But even though I was using the maul to break up the MDF, you can see that I did fall through the floor one more time, and there's my war wound showing off. But I was just standing on a cut piece, and it was too weak in the middle, and I just snapped it and fell through between two joists, and so that was good times. And while I was doing all this, there was about 3 times I found nests that looked just like this. And oh man, they're actually quite cute at this stage. And once they get the fur on them, get them out of here. But I just put that out in the yard and said, hey, your fate is up to you. So anyway, didn't record all of the removal, but there it is. And I thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed it.